This video is for educational purposes, summarizing complex historical events. For a detailed understanding, we recommend further reading and research. Opinions on historical figures and events can differ. We present this content for an insightful reflection on India's history.
1948 was a nascent year for India as a nation. And this year only we receive a cut on our body in the form of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Also this year, the then most prosperous and the richest princely state of Hyderabad refuses to become a part of India and started showing some resistance. This year was also tainted with the death of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So do watch the video till the very end to revisit the history of 1948. 1948 begins with the assassination of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on January 30th by the infamous, now turned famous Nathuram Godse. Nathuram Godse was a member of Hindu nationalist organization RSS and was a freedom enthusiast. He believed that whatever miseries Hindu went under during the partition was due to Gandhiji, and that is why he shot him. The irony of this incident was that a man most synonymous with non-violence was actually violently shot by a citizen of an independent country which actually got independence due to the efforts of Gandhiji to some extent, if not fully. Godse uses Beretta in 1934 and shot Gandhiji 3 times, and soon Gandhiji succumbed to his injuries. I have intentionally not called Gandhiji as Mahatma, as it would trigger a lot of people because people have different opinions and they will differ forever. But if you have read Gandhiji thoroughly without any bias, you may find a thing or two to criticize upon, to debate upon, but nothing taking away the fact that this man was not less than a great soul. In 1948, Lord Mountbatten resigns as the last British Viceroy to India, handing over the baton to C. Rajagopalachari, who becomes the first and the last Indian to be the Viceroy. Because after the enforcement of the Constitution in 1950, this designation was translated into the position of President of India, thus marking the beginning of Indian self-rule. Moving ahead, in 1948, the then most prosperous and the richest princely state of Hyderabad refuses to become a part of India. The ruler of Hyderabad, Mir Usman Ali, wanted to remain independent or to be a part of Pakistan despite being geographically surrounded by other Indian territories. This move was allegedly supported by Pakistan, but due to the geographical location of it, Indian government just couldn't allow it. Things took an ugly turn when armed fanatics Razakars, who held allegiance to the ruler, started unleashing violence, and things soon grew into communal tensions. Upon which Indian authorities took police action Operation Polo, and within 4 days the ruler of Hyderabad, Mir Usman Ali, surrendered in favour of India, and thus making Hyderabad an integral part of India. Now, after the signing of Instrument of Accession in October 1947 by Maharaja Hari Singh, the ruler of Jammu and Kashmir, as we learned in the previous video, Indian forces were to the rescue, and this officially started a war between India and Pakistan. With war ongoing in 1948, Jawaharlal Nehru took this matter to United Nations, and upon their subsequent intervention, ceasefire agreement was achieved in December 1948, thus marking the ceasefire line as the border between the two countries until the matter of Kashmir is resolved via plebiscite. Plebiscite बोले तो डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी, जहां हम डायरेक्ट लोगों से पूछेंगे कि वे हिंदुस्तान का पार्ट होना चाहते हैं या पाकिस्तान का, जैसा कि हमने जूनागढ़ स्टेट में भी किया. However, there was a pre-condition to it. For plebiscite to happen, Pakistan have to pull back their armies and then vote India. But as Pakistan was afraid of losing Kashmir in plebiscite, they never pulled back their armies, and so did not India, thus reaching to a stalemate situation. And the plebiscite has never been achieved till date. और यही जो एरिया जम्मू कश्मीर का पाकिस्तान कंट्रोल में है till the ceasefire line is called Pakistan occupied Kashmir. So this was all in year 1948. See you in the next one and keep sharing to let Indians know about India.